Hi, this is a tutorial for the Room Availability tool in Argos. The Available Room Report, STU AVRM version 2.0, provides data on when rooms are available at a particular campus and time. The Room Availability tool is located in the Instructional Services folder and then in the Instructional Services Reports subfolder. Clicking on the STU AVRM version 2.0 report will bring up the dashboard. You can select by term, campus, room type, and standard class time. For this tutorial, we will look at the fall 2019 term. We are trying to find a room at Blount County for the 9:10 to 10:30 Tuesday-Thursday time slot. Clicking on the Execute button will generate the results in the box below. The building, room number, room capacity, and general description of the room are provided. Unsurprisingly, there are not many options at the time specified. Choosing a later time slot will show more results. The Room Availability tool can help you find when and where you might be able to place a class. The drawback to this report is that it is limited to standard time slots, so departments that use non-standard times may not find much value in this report. Nonetheless, I hope you find this useful.